Hello, American Literature Scholars. I hope that you had a good day off, and if you're watching this on Monday, that you're having a good day off from school. I wanted to make a quick recording since we won't have class until Wednesday. I wanted to welcome you back to the week and go ahead and be able to have a ticket out the door password for you so that you can take your, have another TOD quiz that you can take so you can get your 5 out of the way as quickly as possible in the course of this instructional cycle. So we are into week 2 of instructional cycle 4. So for Monday, we don't have school, but I have a video here, a recording of a speech that Dr. Martin Luther King gave. It's not the I Have a Dream speech. He gave hundreds of speeches, and I picked one that he gave actually at a junior high school in 1967, and his message to me can still be relevant to young people, and he was speaking to a group of young African Americans, but I think his message can pertain to young people in general even today. So if you have time, take a minute to listen to that speech. What is your life's blueprint? So Tuesdays in the OHS, I've got a video for you to watch about a podcast, encouraging you to continue to look for an example of a podcast, and finding one, maybe that another example of something that you can listen to. Some techniques about storytelling. Since your podcast assignment that you have to do, part of it is going to be the retelling of a story. Watching this video and paying attention to what they talk about in here is going to help you on your ticket out the door quiz. And I'll give you that password in just a second. And then your Wednesday lesson, if you want to look at this a little bit before we start class on Wednesday, we'll have live class at 9:30 on Wednesday. It's just to make sure that you have found a resource, an additional resource for your podcast, and started to work on a works cited page so that you have something to work from that I can look at, your classmates can look at, to make sure you're on the right track with that works cited page. I've got the assignment sheet linked here again so that you'll be able to make sure that you know you're doing the correct thing for this podcast assignment, which is due on Thursday. Which is due on Friday. And then the rest of the week is here for you Thursday and Friday. All right, so your ticket out the door password to be able to take the TOD quiz, which is in the mastery activities, is story. So you'll go into the mastery activities, TOD recordings, into instructional cycle 4. This question right here, it's a multiple choice question. For podcasting and storytelling, your password is STORY, STORY. If you guys have any questions or need anything from me before we have live class on Wednesday, then feel free to email me or give me a call. Have a good one.